all across the world.
People use the internet.
To do lots of things. For example,
Work, communicate, bank, and shop.
But while we're doing all this, we need our information kept safe.
that is where you can help.
By working in cybersecurity, you could help protect people, organizations, and their data from online threats.
You'd also be in high demand. It's estimated that 3.5 million cybersecurity jobs will need to be filled by 2025. There aren't enough cybersecurity specialists to do that work.
If you like helping people or solving puzzles, or if you love a good investigative podcast, you might enjoy working in cybersecurity. Get the skills you need to jumpstart your career by enrolling in the new Google Cybersecurity Certificate.
It's taught by cybersecurity experts at Google, like me.
And me.
And me.
We use real-world scenarios so that you can gain the top skills that employers are looking for, like identifying and analyzing threats and learning how to protect vulnerable data, people, and systems. You'll also learn valuable technical skills, like how to program in Python and SQL to perform everyday security tasks.
You don't need any previous experience, and you can complete the coursework at your own pace. At the end of the program, we'll offer one-on-one coaching, resume help, practice interviews, and help you apply for jobs. You'll be able to connect with over 150 employers who are committed to considering hiring Google Career Certificate graduates.
Get the skills and the confidence you need to enter the world of cybersecurity. Enroll today.